Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Sweets Online. I hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday. Today I'm going to do a quick pasta salad, and it is called a Zesty Italian Trio Pasta Salad. And the reason I call it Trio, because the spiral macaroni that I used, it is tomato, beet, and spinach that I'm going to use in this pasta, and it's called Veggie Spirals, and the name of it is Wacky Mac. I got it at Walmart, but you can get it at any of your stores that carry macaroni products. Okay, to this bowl, I use this 12-ounce package of Veggie Spirals. I salted the water, and I let it cook for 8 minutes. I took it off, I drained it, and I ran cold water on it to stop it from cooking, okay? And this is a one-pot dish again. So to this, I'm going to add sauteed shrimp and hickory smoked turkey. I know that sounds kind of strange, but I didn't want bacon in a cold pasta. So that's the reason I did hickory smoked turkey. Okay, I'm going to add the shrimp. I'll show you this. And then I'm going to add the hickory smoked turkey because I wanted that smoke flavor in there. So that's the reason I decided to use that. Okay, and to this, I did 1 large tomato, diced, and I didn't unseed it. I like the seeds in it. And also I did the same thing for the cucumbers. It's a medium cucumber that I sliced that is not unseeded. I wanted to season it also. So I'm going to put this in here. And the reason it's called Zesty Italian, I'm going to use Zesty Italian by Kraft. I'm going to say we're going to use a 1/2 cup first, and then if we need more, we will add more. So always remember to give it a really good shake. Okay, let me get my cup right quick. Okay. So I'm going to do a 1/2 cup first to see if that will be enough. And if not, we can always add more to it. Okay. Forgot to take this off before I started the video, but oh well. Okay, let's go ahead and pour a 1/2 cup. Just to see where we'll be. Okay, so this is a 1/2 cup of the Zesty Italian dressing. So I'm going to add this to the pasta. And then I'm just going to stir it around. And you can check to see if that will be enough dressing for the pasta. It's looking pretty nice. I don't want too much dressing because it will overpower it. So I'm going to say, I'm going to do maybe 1/3 cup more. So let's do 1/3. Okay. And I think that will be a winner. Okay. Now let's stir this up. Also, I've already added salt to my pasta, but of course, as I always state, you want to taste your food to make sure it has enough salt, black pepper, garlic powder, or whatever you're adding to it. And this is so nice and colorful. You see all the different color pastas? Okay. Let me get something to taste it with, to see if I have enough salt, black pepper. Hang on, you guys. Okay, I'm going to try the pasta. I can get the hickory from the turkey, but I am needing more salt and black pepper. So always take your salt and don't put it directly over your food just in case you put too much. Okay, let's do a little more. And now I'm going to add some black pepper. And to this, I'm also going to add parsley flakes. I'm going to say maybe a teaspoon of parsley flakes, which I'll just take the top off and do it this way. So let's go here and add the parsley flakes. Okay, now let's give this a stir and let's give this a try. All right. I wonder, is anyone ready for the summer? Here in Texas, it gets really hot. So I'm trying to bring you some dishes that don't keep you long in the kitchen. And also, when I do a Sunday video, it's usually for a weekday meal because nobody has time to cook a Sunday dinner through the weekday with everyone being, you know, working and have other things to do. Okay, now I will give this another try. Wow. On the money, except I need more garlic. Hold on, let me get the garlic. And this also would be about a teaspoon of garlic. I know, that seemed like a large teaspoon, huh? Okay, let me try it again. This is beautiful. Love the colors. Summertime colors. And with the Zesty Italian, it's really light, it's not heavy. And you could actually take this out on a picnic because you don't have anything that would make it spoil. I'm sorry. You do, you have the shrimp. So you would have to keep it cold. Please, let me rephrase that. You do have the shrimp in there, so you have to keep it cold. Okay. All right, last try, you guys. Okay. Now we're cooking with fire. It's perfect. So I'm going to plate me a bowl and come back to you guys and show you how I would eat it. Stay connected. Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you the shrimp that I'm going to be using in the Zesty Italian pasta salad that I'm going to make. These are medium large shrimp and I only got a half a pound. And what I did, I just added a little butter to the skillet and sauteed them for about 2 minutes. I also seasoned the shrimp with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So stay connected. The salad is coming right up. All right, you guys. This is the finished product of the Zesty Italian spiral pasta with shrimp and hickory smoked turkey with cucumbers and tomatoes. Okay, this is how I would eat it. I love Ritz crackers. If you guys like saltine crackers, it's good with that. Or if you want to do garlic bread, it's also good with that. But I love the Ritz crackers with it. Okay, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to try to see the cucumbers and tomatoes on here. Then I'm going to hook this shrimp up on it. Hold on. It's perfect, you guys. And I know you're going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And please stay connected. God bless you.